Well, hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. So I got a bit of a hot job on the horizontal boring machine right now, and it's in just for some simple layout and drilling operations, but there is a little bit of a panic on this, and I don't really have any time to drag the camera around and show how I set it up and how I laid out and scribed and center punched my holes, but I do got a little bit of time to show the drilling op at least. So before we get into that, let's have a look at the project. So what we got is a hydraulic pump. It's being retrofitted to a different machine, and they're in a big panic for it. And basically, these two holes is the correct spacing. They just need them indexed over a little bit. So I've already scribed out and center punched where they need to be. And we're just gonna go in there and drill them out real quick now. So to line up to my punch marks, I grabbed the live center from my lathe and I slid that into my spindle and just eyeballed the punch mark with the tip of the center. Works pretty effectively. Then I went in here with a spotting drill, and this is just to get the location started for the next drill that I'm going to go in. It's like a centering drill. I use taper shank tooling in this spindle, so we have a drift key, we just knock them out. Here I'm sliding in a taper shank 9/16 drill bit. Activate the machine here, spindle's turning. This lever engages spindle feed. This is going to push the spindle into the workpiece, and now we're drilling. Cast iron. It's a very short drill process. I'm not going to worry about oils or coolants or any of that. I'm just going to raw dog it. And now that that hole's done, I'm going to repeat those process. Live center back in the spindle. Locate my punch mark where the next hole is going to be. Due to debris falling down in the seal area, I'm going to cover this up with some tape. It looks like it's a pretty well sealed unit, but why take chances? Same procedure again. We're just gonna start with a spot drill, go back in with my 9/16 drill bit, and we're just gonna break on through in the backside here. You can see a little puff of smoke from the heat transferring to the paint. It's always fun. Retract my spindle. That's the clutch for everything. That's spindle engagement off, and we got two holes drilled. Gonna clean up my little bit of mess here. I like to chamfer all my work. To back chamfer here, we just buffed it off because I had no way to get in there with any other tooling. And that's basically it. Just undo the clamps, brush it off, remove my tape, and let's just have a look at this work. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.